First, drag the image of phone, transform it accordingly, and flip it horizontally. Now, drag the image of girl sitting on sofa. Adjust both of them. Choose Mafik Wand tool and select the screen of phone. Make a new layer and fill the selected area by pressing Alt plus Backspace. Now, drag the UI design of app, adjust it to the screen, and create clipping mask. Show transform control by pressing Ctrl plus T. Press Ctrl and distort it properly. Now, create new adjust layer of color balance above girl image. Adjust its color balance with exact values. Drag images of clouds, place behind the phone, and change blending mode to Luminous D. Make group by selecting layers and pressing Ctrl plus G. Make a new layer above background layer. Choose soft round brush tool and paint white on that. Now, drag another image and place above the background layer. Adjust its position and change its blending mode to Luminous D. Now it's time to create shadows for phone and girl sitting on sofa. Now, create a rectangle. Right-click on its layer and choose Blending Options. Choose the values of stroke, inner glow, and outer glow accordingly. Then import transparent image of icon. Type text with text tool. Choose Line tool to make a line below the text. Choose Blending options and give Color Overlay with Particular Color. Do the same with Icon layer. Now, select these layers and make duplicate by pressing Ctrl+J. Do the same with other icon layers and text layers. Now type text with Text tool. Choose the font Stretch Pro. Then choose Blending options and give it Color Overlay. Then press Alt and drag the text layer. It will make duplicate of that layer. Then edit the text accordingly. Now, make the rectangle and type text above it. Now, drag the images of products, adjust them accordingly, give them Gaussian blur. Now import the Google Play Store and Apple Store icons. Adjust their positons accordingly. Right-click on Layer and choose Blending Options. There, choose Color Overlay. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E to merge all the together. Then choose Camera Raw Filter and adjust the values accordingly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.